trail or road. It's the foundation of life, a place that allows us to move forward, explore parcels of earth we have yet to touch. This is the place where camouflage is the primary color. Outside, the air we breathe, the water we drink, the sun rays our bodies crave, the fight to collect vitamin D, essentials to our health and well-being. I can think of nothing worse than being disconnected from nature. For me, the ability to ride away from the pressures of daily life, even if for a short while, is of the utmost importance. You don't have to be rich to enjoy it. Like love, it's everywhere. It does not have a price tag. It reduces the stresses of life, improves our mood, and the act of staying active will reduce obesity and anxiety. A day beyond the boundaries of our cities is glorious. When I pedal, I smile. When I sweat, I laugh. When I smell the trees and the flowers, my heart is full. Stay indoors? We're harming ourselves. Growing lazy, overweight, eating bad food. We aren't supposed to sit and stare at tiny screens, typing our thoughts into the void. This is self-mutilation. It's causing harm to the future of humanity. Streaming services, video games, social media, sports betting apps. We don't need it. What we need, what we actually yearn for, is waiting for us, waiting for you, waiting for me to come hike a trail or pedal down a gravel path. The long-term advantage of being an active person cannot be taken for granted. I appreciate you taking the time to listen to this silly man preach the power of nature for a few minutes, but I implore you, lace up your shoes, grab a backpack, or sit on your bicycle saddle and start moving. If not today, then tomorrow. The future you will thank you for it. Yes, we're all gonna die someday. But first, we must live.